Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord server link. First of all, you should have a Discord server. So now I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server. You can hover your mouse into this cross button, add server, and then click it. And this you can create your own server with this starter template like gaming server, school club server. And also you can create in your own style. So I'm going to create my own here and choose whether is it for club or community or is it just for you and your friends. So I'm going to click for club or community. So the server has already made. If you want to share your link to your friends, you can hover to this name, your server name, and then click it. In here you can click invite people. You can invite your friends by searching in this search bar, or you can copy the link here and then send it to your friends. And then your friends can join to this server through this link. So I think that's pretty much for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.